First of all, I need a manicure. I know my nails look tragic, but I have these nails on from the Milk event I went to last week, the Kush nail and this little fire flame they gave me. So today I'm going to be doing a try on of new Milk makeup and also some older products that I just had in my collection. I wanted to put all my Milk products together in one video to show you guys because I've been really enjoying the new mascara and primer. Oh my gosh, obsessed. So I'm going to try out some makeup and show you guys in this video. Let's go. So the first thing from Milk I'm going to use is the Kush lip glaze. I love this package. Ooh, it's green. It feels so good. I've used this type of tip for my under eye and it feels really good and cool, but I've never tried it on the lips and it feels so good. Like, it feels so cool and hydrating. So I'm going to use the Hydro Grip Primer. Everyone has been raving about this primer. They love it. It's very tacky and this is going to help your makeup just stay exactly where you put it. With this type of primer, you really just want to pat it and like push it into your skin, not really rub it around because it is a grippy product. I don't have a Milk foundation. I don't think I ever bought it, or if I did, I don't know what happened to it. It's somewhere in my collection. So today I'm going to use the Born This Way in Chai. I haven't used this in like a month, so I'm going to try it out today again. Remind myself. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I posted that my daughter actually spilled my lip bronze highlighter from Jackie Aina, and I posted it, and guess what? She's gonna send me a new one. I'm so excited. So Jackie's gonna send me a new highlighter. I'm so excited. So that blended really well over the primer. Love the coverage. It gives you a really nice coverage. I'm also gonna use the Born This Way in Maple, and I've used the mess out of this. Like the label is coming off. That's how much I've used. So I'm going to use a little bit of maple under my eyes. I'm going to blend this in. I've been seeing some comments about my skin and I'm so happy, you guys. I have worked so hard on my skin. I started literally on my birthday, so it's February, and I mean, I have done skincare before that, but I went really ham in February and I got tons of products, and not tons, but like I got a lot of products but they were very strategically purchased. Like, they each have a particular purpose. In the past, I feel like I was just buying products just to buy and not really with the purpose, but this time I actually like set out different skin concerns and like what I wanted each product for. And I think it really helped my skin because my skin is so much better. I have kind of like an alternating cycle where one day I target acne, the other day I target dark spots, and the other day I target like anti-aging. So sometimes I mix them all together though, so it's kind of like, it's complicated. So I do have the Milk setting powder, but I have it in the medium deep shade and I don't like it under my eyes. So I'm going to use this Hourglass one under my eyes. I've had this for a while, but I never really use it. It's one of those powders that's a little tricky to work with. Sometimes I just don't have time for tricks. I definitely want to see more shades in this powder for sure. I do like the way this powder looks, but I kind of wish they had a more yellowy version for deeper skin tones, or just like yellow undertones or deeper skin tones. So this is the powder in here. I'm going to show you guys next to my Laura Mercier powder. So this is Milk and this is Laura Mercier. So Laura Mercier does have a tad bit more of a golden undertone to it than the Milk powder. I'm taking my little makeup sponge and I'm just going to press that into my skin. I really love this finish. How many times have you guys listened to the Homecoming album this past week? I personally have listened to it over 10 times. I have listened to this album while I clean my house for the past week. And it's amazing. I do a really good job, you know, especially to Diva. Like, it's my favorite. Mostly because I like Everybody Mad at the end of the song. So it gets me really hype, you know, like, same old from the block. The finish is unbelievable. Like, perfection. Actually, both of these powders look really good right now. Like, really good. For my brows, I'm using the Kush Fiber Brow Gel in the color Grind. It is a very dark brown shade. Last weekend, my husband was cleaning out the garage. There were some bins that were originally in my bathroom, but somehow they ended up in the garage. I really don't know how it happened, but they did end up there. And I had tangles of like jewelry, like costume jewelry, like this little thing right here. The necklace was literally wrapped up in here. It's from Tiffany's and it's not cheap, and I can't believe I almost threw it out, you guys. Like, for someone like me who doesn't have a lot of brow hairs, brow gels are not always the best because I don't have the brow hair to like really, you know, get them pop it. I also have the clear brow gel. This is the Hydro Clear Brow Gel, and I probably would use this one way more because I can just use this over my other brow products. In case you were wondering, my lips still feel amazing, but I wanted to try out the Kush lip balm in Green Dragon. It's a green color, so I wanted to try this out before I apply another Kush lip balm, and I want to see what this one feels like. Oh, this feels very hydrated. Is it green? Oh my gosh, it's actually a little green. Oh, I quite like this. I've been watching a lot of UK bloggers, you guys. This is from the Balm. I got this at BeautyCon. Shout out to Leslie. I feel like it would be perfect for this little Kush experience, especially with the little Kush green color down here. And just apply that in the crease. I really want to go to Louisiana in general because I'm a foodie and I've heard so much good stuff about the food. I also love culture, and I also love strong culture, and the culture down there is amazing. So I really want to take a trip to Louisiana. Okay, so this color, okay, the Balm. If you have brown eyes, definitely try a green like this because it's really making my eyes pop. Like, wow. Brown and green definitely go together, but this particular green is looking really nice against my eye color. Then I'm going to take this color called Sunset, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid. I am really about to go to Lowe's looking like the Oscars. That's okay. I am so here for this eye look. I'm going to show you guys the new mascara. This is the, well, actually this is not the new mascara. This is the new mascara. It's a waterproof version of this one. I like waterproof mascaras for like the pool, or like if I'm going to be like going to an amusement park with water. But this combo right here, you guys, is amazing. This is a new lash primer, you guys. I love it. I'm gonna just add some to my lashes first. Been so impressed with the lash primer. Like, I could see the difference between each eye with and without primer. It's crazy. I know my eyes look crazy right now, but I'm gonna let that dry, because once it dries and I apply mascara, you're gonna be shook. Okay, you're gonna be shook. I do need to add some highlight. For today, I'm gonna use Le Peach from Artist Couture and Jackie Aina, and we're gonna just add some here. I'm actually gonna add a little bit right here because I feel like that will be really cute. She's cute. I'm gonna add some to my cheeks also. I forgot how much I love this highlight. I know you guys noticed if you watch my old videos, I have this huge pimple right here for like literally like a year, probably more. It's been there for a while, and last week I had enough. I got a needle, a clean one, a very small needle, and I poked it a couple times, and there was a lot of pus in there, but I squeezed it out like Dr. Pimple Popper, and to my surprise, it went away. I'm really happy because it's been there for so long, and I'm really upset at myself that I didn't do this sooner. But I made it very sterile. I used alcohol, I cleaned, I sterilized everything. I did, you know, really good care of the area, and it actually healed really nicely. That might have been TMI, but it's okay. I'm gonna do my lip color. They gave me a few options. I have one called Plush Berry. I have one called Canatonic. And I have one called Bubble. Now I'm gonna use Bubble. Okay. Bubble is so pretty. So I love this. Very nice, hydrated, moisturizing. Here for it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I can't stop looking at my lips, yo. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Kush mascara. This is very heavy, it's like a weapon. It's a 2-in-1 type of situation. You know, you have your mascara, but it's also a weapon. It's good to get this in your purse just in case someone tries to just throw it out. Some damage will be done. You might want to carry the primer also, so you have two just in case you miss on the first shot. All right, so we're gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna just apply this mascara. I should have worn a very light eyeshadow so you guys can see better. I didn't think that through, but hopefully you guys can still see how bomb it is because it's really bomb. I'm trying to get really close so you guys can see what that looks like because I think it looks amazing. Let me get a little closer. I think it looks so good. obsessed. I'm obsessed. Like, look how bomb this is. This is really bomb. Like, I am really obsessed. Like, I love it. With every lash primer I've tried, the only con is that you do have to wait a little bit. I would say like 5-10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, to let it dry, so that way when you apply the mascara, it doesn't turn gray on you. So that's the only thing. You do need a little bit of time on your hands. You're not gonna just apply mascara and run out the door. It's not that situation. But this mascara on its own is really good. I have been using it on its own when I don't have extra 10 minutes, and it's still really, really bomb. I just wanted to show you guys with the primer because, girl. Okay, so let me just take off my little scarf. Let's get a little messy hair going on. I feel like this kind of makeup look deserves a little bit of a messy vibe. This is just my excuse to wear messy hair, but pretend you didn't know that. If you took a whiff of me right now, you probably would get high. Just kidding. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love this whole look. I love everything I tried from Milk today. Some of these I have tried obviously the past couple weeks since I got them, but I really love every single thing I tried and put on my face from Milk today. I'm really obsessed. The only thing that I would change is the set-in powder. I do want it to be a little more yellow, and I do want to pick up the translucent version because I love the formula and I want to try it under my eyes. But everything was perfect. I recommend every single thing in this video. It's not sponsored by Milk, although I love them. I'll take a sponsorship any day. I love these products, you guys. Definitely recommend them all to you, and let me know what your favorite thing from Milk is if you've tried. Oh, I forgot the best part. I forgot to put my little stamp of approval on this look. I want to add a little star. Should I add it here? Let's do that right here. Let me know what your favorite product from Milk makeup is, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.